In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme language in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you see the main menu. Find and click on Online Store. This will expand a set of options underneath it. By default, you should land on the Themes section, which is exactly where we need to be. On the Themes page, you'll see your current live theme at the top. This is the theme whose language we're going to adjust. To the right of that theme, look for the Customize button. Just below or near that, there's usually an option called Theme Settings, or an ellipsis icon, depending on the theme and interface updates. We're not changing the design here. We're specifically interested in the language settings tied to the theme's content. Next, look for a link or button labeled Edit Default Theme Content or something similar, often found under a section called Content or Languages. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page where all of the theme's text content is organized into sections, such as General, Products, Checkout, and so on. Every label, button text, error message, and notification that appears on your storefront is controlled here. At the top of this page, you'll see the current language that your theme is using. There should be a drop-down or a change language option. Click on that, and Shopify will show you a list of available languages. Choose the language you want your storefront theme to use. If the language you want is available as a predefined option, select it and confirm. Shopify will then apply that language to all the default theme text. After changing the language, take a moment to scroll through some of the content sections. This is a great time to review and customize specific phrases so they match your brand voice. For example, you might want to tweak button labels, success messages, or cart instructions. Any edits you make here will override the default translations for your theme. When you're done reviewing and adjusting text, remember to save your changes. Then, go back to your online store and preview your site. Click through a few pages, add a product to the cart, and maybe even walk through the checkout flow, just to make sure everything looks correct in the new language. That's all you need to change your Shopify theme language and fine-tune the wording across your store.